Make them catch me with no empty clip. Please don't make them catch me with no question. Show me who genuine. Come up for a night, do everything. Long time me no sleep. I'm a seller, me a nigga. Love of it, can't let me rubber grip. Can't find love of it, can't trust nobody. Now rough road, yeah, just with some away. I want it, me can't left my dog, yeah. If them catch me, me take a charge, yeah. Of a bright future full of darkness. Left lead, no man. Watch out now. Oh, you feel run from pressure. When time pressure make diamond. As a fight, give me a next with him, the murderer. One way expel, but you see me a deal with. I will believe in a solid, you see me a say. So all who not like informer must have block over them head right now. I see you thing though. Watch your style now. Yeah, we still a run, but not far from. When I reach this, but still.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching and thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, right? Today we're going to be talking about Chronic Law and an artist that in the 6 camp called Zai Zai. You see me I say, enough respect to the two artists them. You get me I say, but on the shout out people, viewers and subscribers, them I say Chronic Law, Obeah Zai Zai, right? Chronic Law link with the 6 them. Chronic Law support the 6 them. Yes, we all know the 6 camp might mash up, you see me, because enough of them and squash man nah deal, but left that out tight and a squash man review this. You see me? Yeah. It's a review here. A Chronic Law and Zai Zai. Cause them say Zai Zai cousin. Say Chronic Law. Obeah Zai Zai, you know, people. Why when time a man a rise up, people, them always try to put some things by your name and put it out in the media. That me can't understand. You know. Yeah, man, cause yesterday, man, on the media, man, me see it, man, where them say, yo, Chronic Law, Obeah, 6 artists, you see me? And me I watch a video, them a show a little thing, say, yo, Zai Zai, cousin, post on Instagram. I say, yo, Chronic Law, bad mind boy, and Chronic Law, hold on. Zai Zai, the artist from Obeah. Chronic Law link with the whole Obeah, brother. Chronic Law and the man, them a Obeah link in the dog. I mean, I gotta say whole Obeah, but him link with the man, them a Obeah. You see me? Because you don't know. People like Obeah, you can't be tame. If you know, you know. Obeah people cannot be tame, viewers and subscribers, okay? And Chronic Law know that already. Who don't know Obeah, I just say, oh no, we understand. Just listen. One thing, Chronic Law come from St. Thomas. You get me I say? In next side I parish. You see me? I'm Obeah there on the next side I parish, people. So it's a far difference. So I don't know how come Chronic Law if have any type of bad mind against Zai Zai. You see me? Because Zai Zai a big artist, you know. Long time I hear a tune from Zai Zai either, you know, people. I tune not even take all the time out to get all the video of Zai Zai and them thing, but if I do a next review about the video, I'm showing it who Zai Zai, and you can type in the name on YouTube, see me. Zai Zai a big artist, you see me? I'm used to the whole heap of big tune, but sometimes I don't know. As them always say, at Jamaica, you're big today, you're big tomorrow, you're big for this week, next week, you're big same way for your one song when you do. You see me? For the 1 month, you feel like you can live off of the one song there. And if you stay consistent, you get me and say Zai Zai, no disrespect to the artist. And the Zai Zai cousin, where I say Chronic Law, Obeah Zai Zai, brother, I don't believe that, brother. And stop try to hold on your own cousin career, brother. Because what you hold on Zai Zai career when you go try to go up against a man who already in the spotlight and this man name a ring up in a dance hall, people know him. I not say nobody that knows Zai Zai viewers and subscribers, but you have to put him out on an artist and try to diminish him name and him done big in the street. Check out Chronic Law performance on BBC One Extra. To me, Chronic Law one of the biggest artists in the Jamaica and viewers and subscribers, and you can leave it in the comment section. But first, I want to check out BBC One Extra, Chronic Law, and do a performance, and you see how real artists perform. People, oh God Almighty, me say, Chronic Law are one of the biggest artists in Jamaica. If nobody never say it or say it out of their mouth, just go pre the video there. And after you pre the video there, you go say to yourself, say you wish you could have said every Jamaican artist will say them have lyrics and know for DJ and perform. You see me? Need to go write this at BBC One Extra. You see me? And do a tune for a couple hours well and make we see how talented is. Cause remember, Chronicler do it already, you know. Skillibeng do it already. Jada Kingdom do it already. I tell her Jada fuck up it too. I mean I don't tell her respect to BBC One Extra make we see the real talented artists them in Jamaica. Big man thing. And this is no disrespect to the other artists. Come on, I like to say all I wanna go write a BBC One Extra and have on our own platform and so when people can check out phone performance because Chronicler performance not normal. You get me? So as I say, no disrespect to Zai, no disrespect to Chronicler, and no disrespect to the both fans them from the both side. You get me? But we have to give credit where credit due. Chronicler work for him thing. You see me? Yes, he used to power with the six them. Yes, the six can't mash up. Chronicler still a push out music. Chronicler still a do. You see me? And a true Chronicler do music every month, every day or every week. That don't mean say Chronicler a hold long the man people. Chronicler want to reach somewhere in a life too and you see, yeah man I tell us say yo, right now in a film day and age, him feel him a legend. Otherwise from Vibes Cartel, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, and him also say Movado too. And if I notice every stage show where Chronicler go up and perform, Chronicler always big up Six. Always a big up Squash Man. You see me, despise a word them say about Chronicler, say my link with the enemy or whatever. You see me? Allegedly. But to tell the truth, people, just check out the rest of the performance here. And I'll leave a comment in the comment section if you don't think say Chronicler or Obeah any artist or try to hold on any artist. Because I don't believe that. You see me? Not until I see the directly prove a Chronicler and hold on Zai as well Zai cousin say. Allegedly. You see me? On Instagram. I tell us, and you see sometimes when you arise, people, when you arise in them, and them say you have to keep things to yourself and keep to yourself. And then when you keep to yourself, then say you hype your bad mind. You get me? Yes, enough out there like Chronicler, same way, you see me? But I saw it go. I'm an artist, and enough out there like Zai to see me. Two of them are artists. No man, not perfect. You get me? Viewers and subscribers. So please like, share, and also subscribe if you have not. I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of this performance. Thank you. I'm out.